The KODA 4200 Lumens LED motion security light with included nightlight is the premier addition to your home or business. Installation is easy. Be sure to wear safety glasses during installation. First, turn off the main power at the fuse or circuit breaker. Install the mounting bracket with the provided hardware. Next, connect the wires. Copper ground to the corresponding ground wire, white to white, and finally black to black. Install the mounting plate to the mounting bracket by tightening the center bolt. Attach the floodlight to the mounting plate. Using the provided mounting hardware, tighten the two bolts by hand. Finally, apply caulking around the mounting plate. With two-way light adjustment, you can be sure to have optimal light coverage. Sensor sensitivity, timer, and nightlight settings are easily accessible on the control panel. With universal mounting, you can mount the light on the wall and under an eave for optimal coverage. The light is motion activated within 70 feet. The light is weather resistant. The provided nightlight provides a soft, warm glow, while the main light illuminates with 4200 lumens.